Okay, so we start off first finger on the 4th fret on the 3rd string, second finger on the 5th fret on the 5th string, then a double strike, open A string, does that twice through. Okay, and your first finger goes to the 3rd fret on the A string, the 5th string, and the 3rd finger goes to the 5th fret on the 4th string, double strike on the 5th string, first, thumb, thumb, first, thumb, 3rd, thumb, first. That's thumb, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb, first. Thumb, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb, first. Then it's the hammer on and strike again. Hammer on, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd. So overall that is thumb, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb, first. Hammer on, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd. Okay, then your middle finger, has to be your middle finger, moves to 5th fret on the top E string. Your thumb hits that, and then it moves up to the 6th fret on the same, the top string. And your thumb hits that again. And then as soon as you play that, you need to drop your 3rd finger onto 6th fret on the A string, on the 5th string. So drop that down. And once it's dropped down, you play it. Thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb, I think. Yeah, that's it. Thumb, 2nd, oh. Thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb. Thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, thumb. Then a hammer on with your first finger from the 5th fret on the 5th string to the 6th fret on the 5th string. Okay, you got hammer on, strike it again, first, thumb, 2nd. So hammer on, strike the thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, open A string, and then you're done. Hammer on, thumb, first, thumb, 2nd, open. Hopefully that doesn't help.
Hey, alright. Great.